Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to explain exactly how to set up direct deposit on Chime so you can start getting paid directly into your account with ease. First, open the Chime app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Move Money tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Direct Deposit, and you'll see your Chime account details, including your routing number and account number. You'll need these numbers to give to your employer or benefits provider. If you prefer, Chime also offers a pre-filled direct deposit form that you can download, fill out, and give to your payroll department or upload to your benefits provider's online system. Many employees allow you to input the routing and account numbers directly into their payroll system online, which makes the process even simpler. Once your employer processes the setup, your paycheck will automatically deposit into your Chime account. Plus, you might even get paid up to 2 days early. It's secure, convenient, and takes just a few minutes to set up.